Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless finish nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Craftsman 16-gauge straight finish nailer. If you don't need an exceptionally fast finish nailer and want to save a little bit of money, this 16-gauge, straight magazine tool from Craftsman is worth a look. If you don't already own a Craftsman 20-volt battery, you'll need to buy one separately, but with the battery in place, this finish nailer can shoot up to 375 nails per charge. It takes straight, 16-gauge nails from a minimum of 1 inch to a maximum of 2.5 inches long and can hold up to 100 nails at a time. You can adjust the drive depth without tools by turning the depth adjustment wheel. However, this nailer only has a sequential firing mode. It does not have a bump mode. The straight firing angle makes the handle comfortable to hold, and this nailer has a built-in LED work light. While it may lack a bump mode, its no mar tip means you can still feel confident that this tool won't leave any marks behind. Moving on at number 4, we have the Milwaukee 15-gauge angled finish nailer. This powerful finish nailer from Milwaukee has a nitrogen air spring mechanism that shoots 15-gauge nails into hardwoods or softwoods with the power you'd usually expect only from a pneumatic nailer. Plus, it has a brushless motor for improved runtime and longer motor life. The nailer runs on an 18-volt battery, which is sold separately. With a Milwaukee M18 Red Lithium CP 2.0 battery pack, you can expect to shoot up to 750 nails on a single charge at a rate of 3 nails per second. It can use 15-gauge angled nails from 1-1/4 inch to 2 1/2 inch in length, and the magazine can hold up to 110 nails at a time. The magazine on this finish nailer is at a 34-degree angle, and the nailer itself is fairly compact, so this is an excellent tool for reaching into corners or other awkward spots. No tool is required to change the drive depth, so you can easily adjust how far you want the nails to penetrate the wood. At number 3, we have the Ryobi 16-gauge cordless finish nailer. While most straight finish nailers aren't quite as easy to use in corners or awkward spots, this nailer has a fairly small tip, making it easier to fit into tight spaces. We especially like that this Ryobi 16-gauge nailer can handle nails in an impressively wide range of lengths, from a minimum of 3/4 inch to a maximum of 2 1/2 inch. Remember that it uses straight 16-gauge nails, not angled nails, which will save you a little money. The nailer is powered by an 18-volt battery, which is not included. Depending on the battery you choose, the nailer can shoot up to 1,000 nails on a single charge, quickly driving them even through hardwoods. Its magazine holds up to 100 nails at a time. At number 2, we have the DEWALT 15. If you need a nailer for delicate work, such as installing very thin moldings like shoe moldings along baseboards, or even for crafts like making birdhouses or picture frames, then a brad nailer, which uses thin 18-gauge nails, is the best choice. But if you also need a nailer that can handle typical finishing tasks, including the installation of larger moldings, such as baseboards, crown molding, chair rails, and wainscoting, then you'll love this combo kit from DEWALT, which includes both an 18-gauge brad nailer and a 15-gauge angled finish nailer. Both tools are powered by a DEWALT 20-volt battery, which is not included. They have thin, micro noses that easily fit into tight areas, can be used in either bump or sequential mode, and have easily adjusted drive depths. And finally at number 1, we have the DEWALT 16-gauge angled finish nailer. If you're getting ready to install trim, molding, baseboards, or similar materials, this powerful finish nailer from DEWALT is hard to go wrong with. The kit includes a 20-volt, 2.0 amp-hour battery that can shoot up to 816-gauge nails on a single charge, plus a charger and a carry bag. The nailer has a brushless motor, which provides more runtime and longer motor life with fewer maintenance requirements. It even has an LED light to help you accurately place your nails. You can set this nailer to 2 different firing modes. Bump mode, which fires a nail with each bump of the nailer's tip against the wood surface, or sequential mode, which requires a squeeze of the trigger for each nail. Bump mode is useful for speed, while sequential mode is best for precision.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.